Hello, it's me, Angie, in the yarn room. Let me show you how to double crochet. Come along. You always start by yarning over, inserting into your space you want to crochet into. You pull up a loop, and you always pull through two. And then you pull through two again, and that is a double crochet. So if you're new to crocheting, notice how I just twist and turn my hook just to hold the yarn and pull it through. You will find your own way of doing it, but for now you can emulate me and then just feel the yarn and let yourself pull it through naturally. Let's watch for a bit. Yarn over, insert into space, hook your yarn, make a loop. Okay, we're going to start this thing over. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull up a loop, and it's double crochet because you pull up the loop through two strands 2 times. Let's look at it even closer now. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 strands, hook your yarn, and pull through another 2, and you get a double crochet. Okay, this is more double crochet, and I'm crocheting in real time so you can see how fast I crochet or how slow, depending who you're comparing me to. And you can just use the settings here in YouTube to slow this video down if you want to. I just feel that showing you just repeated action of double crocheting helps. It helps me to learn to watch someone do it over and over again, and I can just pick it up. So I hope this helps you guys get to double crocheting real quick. And by the way, I'm working on a Beetlejuice striped cardigan. Look at those beautiful double crochets. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you. If it did, leave me a comment below.